One thing I've come across just recently is this little device here, which is an Apple battery tester. Now I'm going to drop saying I off everything. So I've got the tester for the watch. Got the tester for the tablets. Contains all models. The iPhone 8, 8P and iPhone X. And this one I'm not too familiar of. I've got a standard charger cable for it, so it does include a battery inside of it. And then finally we got all the iPhone models. iPhone 7P to iPhone 4G. Got a little toggle switch on the top which kicks up the software. Which battery test box is its name, version 3.82. Got a micro USB on the top, and we can just slot it in like that, the two USB ports on the side. And I'm just getting my hands on an iPhone battery now, just to test it out quickly. But yeah, we get the blue light once we connect it up. Flick the toggle switch to the left, and away we go. I have had a little bit of issues getting the battery to read properly. Not sure if it's the battery itself or if it's the USB connect port or USB ports on the side. But anyway, that was an original one that earlier I actually cleared the cycle count on it just to see what would happen. And here we go with a couple other phones, just giving them a quick test out. As we can see up the top, it's got the cycle count of 483. An estimated battery life of 83%, which isn't too bad. Gives us the manufacturing date on the screen as well, which is all relatively useful information in assessing the quality and the health of the battery. So just a quick speed video of tearing it apart and swapping a battery over, but also testing out the actual batteries that are in there. So I originally purchased it off AliExpress. It cost around about $230 Australian, so it should be cheaper in the US and the European market, but was it worth it? So far, yes, purely for the fact of testing brand new batteries that I'm receiving to install into customers' iPhones. I can do a bit of a quality assurance before the actual phones or the batteries leave in a phone. So at least from there I can be confident that they're getting a good quality battery. But if you've only got a single iPhone that you want to test the battery out of or read this information, there's plenty of programs out there which can already do that. The most common one that I usually use on a daily basis is a program called iMazing, which does quite a few different things. I mainly use it for extracting photos from an iPhone backup, things like that. But it can also read the similar information that I'm getting from this device, which if you're dealing with new batteries, it's definitely worthwhile doing, especially if you're doing them on a daily basis. But if you were just doing the odd iPhone every week and you have the time to be able to connect up the new battery in the phone to then read its specs through the iMazing program or something similar, then I probably would save the $230 and put that towards more screens, more parts, different tools, where in my situation I'm finding this so far useful, but in a smaller repair market you probably can get away without one. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this one, and the rest of the video from here is pretty much a battery swap over, so stay and watch if you like. If not, see you later.